What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Drive restricted files. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Google Drive or you can type in drive.google.com. So you will be welcome to the homepage of Google Drive. Now from here, on the left side, you can see the option of share with me. Here are the videos and audios and files that are only shared with you. And if you want to share it more further, you need to send a message to ask the user to send it further. Now, let's say this is the file that I want to send further, and this has been restricted. So when I will share it, a pop-up message will appear to ask the user to send it or not. So in the to section, just write the email of the user that have sent this video to you, and in the description section, ask them so that if you can send the video ahead or not. If they grant the permission, then you can send the restricted video or you can even download the Google Drive restricted video in your computer. So this is how you can download and share your Google Drive restricted audio, video and files. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.